Hi everyone, I'm giving you a tour of my Getting to Know survey. So let me actually show you. I have it here on the Getting Started module, and I'm asking my students a couple of questions. So let me go through the preview. And one of the first questions that I'm asking is what name would they want me to use to address them? Also, do they have any pronunciation tips? Question number three is asking them what's the best way to reach them. Question four, how long have they been at the college? This will help me find out if they're a first generation student and maybe they need more information on resources. I'm also asking on question number five if they attended the tutoring center out of school. Question six, I do provide feedback, and I'm also asking if it's okay for me to provide a video as I provide feedback. Question seven is just general on the platform that they're using, if they're using a phone, laptop, or computer. Question eight, I'd like to know a little bit about their learning style in math. My visual learners will be benefited because we use a lot of graphs in the class. Question nine, I want to know how they feel about the class, if there's anxiety. That may help me identify any student that may need help later on. Same idea on question number 10. I'm asking that is there something that may interfere with the class? Lastly, question 7, I'm asking if there's anything else that they would like to share. And that's actually my Getting to Know survey.